Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your hub bearing on a 2016 Passat, but it can be the same for 2015, 14, 13, I think 12, I think 17 and 18 also. So first thing first, we got to take out this cap. We got to take out the tire. We're going to take out the caps from the from here, okay? So you want to get a hook. I'll put a link in the description for this, and pull back on it like that, and it will come out. Get it in here, and it will come out like that. See how it look on the inside. Alright, so to take the tire off is going to be 17 millimeter, or you can use your lug tool if you have your lug tool. Alright, and it's going to come out like this, okay? So we're going to need to remove the tire then, so we can get the wheel to move back and forth freely, so we can get access to these 1, 2, 3, 4 triple square bolts. All right. Alright guys, so I removed this, so you're gonna need to remove this. It's gonna be 18 millimeter to remove this, so take out this 18 millimeter, put it right here so you don't damage the thread when you're gonna knock right here. Knock it like that until you see it come loose, then you can take it out. Okay, so that's what I did. I'm gonna take this part out, put this right here. Okay, now I can do this. Alright, so the next step is to turn it like this and get the caliper off, which is gonna be this right here and this right here. So it's gonna be 21 millimeter socket. Got that right there. Remove this right here and remove this right here. Alright, and now it's time to remove the caliper and get it hooked up right here. So it will come off just like this now. So to remove the rotor, you're going to need a T30 torque. Remove that right there. Then you're going to knock right around here with a hammer. And get it off like that. Then you want to get your 11, 6, 15, 16 or 24 millimeter 12 point. Take off that. Get it off like this and try to push back on it like that to make sure that's free. Okay guys, so that's the setup I have. Take out 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one down there. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I got two from this side. So I turn the wheel the other way to get the other two from this side, okay? Alright, so you guys, you see that? That come out like that. And that come off like that, alright? So it was those 4 bolts that hold this on. So yeah guys, let's get the new one and install it. Alright guys, so got the new one right here. You want to line up the gear first, the grooves, and then you want to turn this and get it in properly, alright? So before you tighten anything, you want to make sure you catch all 4 triple square bolts, and then when you catch all 4, you tighten them up. Alright, so after you tighten up all 4 triple square nuts, you want to get this and tighten this back up. Alright, after this is tight, now it's time to get your rotor and install your rotor, okay? So you get your rotor, you want to make sure you line up this and catch back your torque screw, and now it's time to put on your caliper. So you want to tighten those up. Alright, so everything is all nice and tight, so go ahead and put on your tire after you double check your work. So this is tight, the 4 T triple square bolts is tight, and these are tight also. So time to put on your tire. So you want to put on your tire then. And then put on your tire, okay? So tighten this, then put on your tire. So that's that. So that's it, guys. You want to put your cap on, and then you want to subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Leave a thumbs up, and peace out. See you next time.